Hi everyone and welcome back. Have you ever heard of a compound that can penetrate the skin in seconds and take other healing agents deep into your tissues? Today we are talking about DMSO. It's often called a miracle solvent, and while it's been used in medical and industrial world for decades, many people are just now discovering its incredible benefits for natural healing. If you've been struggling with chronic pain, inflammation, or stubborn injuries, this video might be exactly what you need. Stick around because we are going to cover what it is, how it works, and the vital safety steps you need to know before you start. So, what exactly is DMSO? It's actually a natural substance from wood pulp, a byproduct of the paper making process. But its biological properties are what makes it truly unique. The superpower of DMSO is its ability to cross biological membranes. Most things we put on our skin stay on the surface, but DMSO passes right through the skin and into the bloodstream almost instantly. Not only that, it acts as a carrier. It can drag other low molecular weight nutrients deep into the areas where they are needed most. Beyond being a carrier, DMSO is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's been shown to reduce pain by blocking nerve conduction fibers and can even speed up the healing of soft tissue injuries by increasing circulation to the area. Now, because DMSO is such a powerful solvent, safety is number one. You have to treat it with respect. Rule number one, clean skin is mandatory. Since DMSO carries everything on your skin into your body, you must wash the area thoroughly with non-toxin soap and water. No lotions, no perfumes, and no synthetic chemicals on your skin, or they will end up in your bloodstream. Rule number two, glass only. Never store DMSO in plastic, and never use plastic tools to apply it. It can dissolve certain plastics and carry those toxins into your system. Use glass containers and glass or stainless steel applicators. Rule number three, the garlic smell. Don't be alarmed if you notice a garlic-like taste in your mouth or a slight oyster-like smell on your skin shortly after use. This is a completely normal side effect of how your body processes it. Rule number four, dilution. For most topical uses, it's best to dilute it, often to 70% or 50% with distilled water, to prevent skin irritation or itching. I know this can feel like a lot of information, which is why I highly recommend getting a dedicated guide. There is an excellent book called Healing with DMSO by Amandha Vollmer. It's a complete handbook that covers a specific dosage, application methods, and how to treat everything from arteries and muscle pain to headaches and skin conditions. It takes all the guesswork out of the process. I've left a link to the book in the description box below, along with the link to highest pharmaceutical grade DMSO that I personally recommend. Remember, never use industrial grade DMSO. You want the pure laboratory tested version for your health. This is just the beginning of our journey with this amazing compound. In my upcoming video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mix and use DMSO with famous essential oils. We'll go into detail on which oils work best for specific issues like joint pain or nerve relief, and the precise ratios you should use to get the best results safely. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the essential oil guide. Check the links below for the book and the best DMSO grade, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay mindful.